What is mean by business environment? What is mean by business? Okay, first, what is mean by business? What is mean by business? Business is nothing but actually regular process for producing or purchasing and selling of goods with the object of earning profit and acquiring wealth through satisfaction of human wants. Business is an institution organizing and operator to provide goods and services under the incentive of private gains. That is called business. What do you mean by business environment? Business environment is nothing but the total of all things external to the firm and industries which affect the organization and operation. Business environment encompasses the climate or set of condition, economic, social, political, institutional, in which business operations are conducted. The business is a regular process of producing, purchasing and selling of goods with the object of earning profit and acquiring acquiring and all the satisfactions of human wants when or more engaged in producing and distribution of goods and services on regular basis. We have business concern. That means the nature of business or actually they are sales, transfer, dealing in goods. The sales, transfer, exchange activity for the satisfactions of human wants or business directly or indirectly, while the transfer, exchange of goods and services for the value. Then second one is dealing in goods. Dealing in goods is nothing but like supplying of water, electricity, repairing anything, any problems, dealing in biscuits, continuous business. That is called business environment. The next one is features of business environment. Actually, there are 4 types. The first one is, they are divided into 4 types. The first one is all the external forces. All the external forces. The business environment includes all the forces, institutional and factors which directly or indirectly affect the business organizations. Then second one is specific and general forces. Specific and general forces. Business environment includes both such as investors, customers, competitors and suppliers, humans or general forces or social, legal, technological, political, etc., which affects the business indirectly. And then third one is interrelation. Interrelation is nothing but all the forces and factors of business environment interrelated to each other. For example, which inclinations of youth towards Western culture, the demand for fast food is increasing. The last one is uncertainty. It is very difficult to predict that uncertainty. That means the changes of business environment, as the environment is changing very fast. For example, IT, fashion industry, frequent and fast changes are taking place. The next one is micro environment of business. Most important factors of micro environment business: the competitors, customers, suppliers, public, marketing intermediaries, workers and the union. Normally the micro environment does not affect all the companies in an industries in the same way. At the same time, because the size, capacity, capability and strategies are different. For example, raw material suppliers are giving more concessions to be large size companies. However, they may not give the same concessions to small companies. The first one is competitors. The competitors means obviously we know that environment consists of certain basic things which vary firms as to take note of number of company. However large it may be, enjoy monopoly. In the original business world, a company encounters various forms of competition. The most common competition which a company's product now faces is from differentiated product of other companies, that is competitors. The second one is customers. Customers, there is only one valid business purpose, that's create a customer. The business enterprise aim, actually the business enterprise aim to earn profit through serving the customer's demand. It's now think more in terms of profitable sale rather than more sales volume for its sake. Today, marketing of a firm begin and also ends with the customers. The third one is suppliers. Suppliers, regarding the suppliers, the organization can think of availing the required of material of labors according the manufacturing program. It can adopt such a purchase policy which gives bargaining power to the organization. The next one is public. The next one is public. Public is literally work. Public refers to the people in general. A public is any group that has an actual potential interest in or impact of a company's ability to achieve its objectives. The environment, consumer, production groups, media persons, and local people are some of the well-known examples of publics. The last one is market intermediaries. The market intermediaries are either individuals, business houses who come to the aid of the company in promoting, selling, and distributing the goods to the ultimate consumers. They are middlemen, wholesaler, retailers, and agents, distributing agencies, market and service agencies, financial institution. Most of the companies find it too difficult to reach the consumer. In such cases, the agents and distributions firms helps to reach the product to the consumer. The next one is objective of modern business. Actually, modern business firms is an organized entity designed to pursue a certain well-defined objectives. Objectives of business activities categories. There are 5 types. The first one is organic objective, economic objective, social objective, human objective, national objective. The first one is organic objective. The organic objective is nothing but a business enterprise is an organic entity and development is an analog to biological growth. That means that the organic object may be classified into the objective survey, objective of growth, and objective of maintaining prestige. Then second one is economic objectives. Economic objective is the business firm. Actually, for early times, objective may be classified into profit, creation of more customer, innovation, better stability, and then income. That is called economic objective. Then third one is social objective. The social objective is cannot be clearly. They will be changing according to the needs of the society. Every institution is tool of the society. Objective may be stated supply of quality goods, providing employment, avoiding of antisocial practice. The next one is human objective. The objectives of that the business should not after the interest of those who make business successful. The employee of the business should be considered as a human being or parental approach should be made. Consists of the fair deal, participation, and job satisfaction. The last one is national objective. It's a different national objective means different from society objectives. They denote the responsibility of the business to observe some more moral code of conduct to serve the society. Should fulfill the aspiration of the nation plan on policies framed advancement and the nations of the priorities. These are the 5 types of objectives of modern business. The next one is feature of business environment. Actually, they are divided into 4 types. The first one is feature of business, all the external forces. First one is all the external forces. Business environment includes all the forces, institutions, and factors which directly or indirectly affect the business organizations. Then second one is specific of general forces. Specific of general forces is nothing but it includes specific forces such as investors, customers, competitions, and suppliers. Humans or general forces or social, legal, technological, political which affects the business indirectly or directly. The next one is interrelations. All the factors of business environment and interrelated to each other. For example, with inclinations of youth towards Western culture, the demand for fast food is increasing. Then last one is uncertainty. Uncertainty is nothing but it's very difficult to predict the changes of business environment, as environment is changing very fast. For example, IT, fashion industry frequent and fast changes are taking place.